चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल क्लिक करें, लाइक कमेंट शेयर करें।
Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhadi. Welcome to my Study Smart series where I share interesting study related videos. Today I am going to share some practical tips on self-study. So let's start the video with my first tip. The first tip is get organized. Declutter your space, organize your mind. Always start with a clean and organized desk. Organize space around you. Organized desk or space helps you to organize your thoughts. This way you can plan things better and also you will be able to concentrate better on your studies. Next tip is fix a target or allot time to finish it. Next important thing is to fix a goal or target to study and also allot yourself a timeline to finish it. For example, in your timetable, write that you will finish chapter 2 of English in 35 minutes. Set a timer for 35 minutes. When you finish a given task within a time frame, your focus and concentration will improve a lot and you will achieve your study goals easily. I have already uploaded a video on focus and concentration building exercises and games on my channel. Click on the I bar or the description for links. Next tip is to teach someone or read it aloud. If you want to learn things easily without anyone's help, here is a trick for you. Start teaching those things to someone. It can be a friend. But in case you don't have a friend who needs your help, just put an idol or toy in front of you and start teaching things to that toy. I know it sounds funny, but the science behind this technique is very simple. When you teach someone, you try to explain everything in your own words or in a simplified manner. This in fact helps you also as you will never forget things because teaching will make you understand the chapter better. And if you don't want to try this, then to learn anything, just read it aloud. Next is handmade notes. Another important point is to make notes by hand. Read and understand the chapter first and then make your own notes. When we make notes, we use our own language in a much simpler form. This way, our handmade notes are easy to understand and learn. So always make your own notes. I have already uploaded a video on how to make notes. The link is in the description box below. Next tip is extra books or websites. If you want to understand a chapter better, first read it from your own book. If you think your book is not enough, you can take help from extra books like these. A lot of books are available on Amazon also. They carry many extra questions and explanations. If you don't want to buy books, you can go to different websites. You can also take help from YouTube videos. Many knowledge-filled videos are already available on YouTube. Just search and enjoy. I will soon share a video on my favorite study books, websites and YouTube channels. The last tip is analyze yourself with tests. After studying from all the sources, it's time to make a worksheet or question paper for yourself and just try to solve it. This way, you will be able to test yourselves, how much you know and how much you need to learn again. Many worksheet books are available on online sites, so explore and enjoy. I hope you will like the video. Do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. तो ये था आज का ज्ञान, न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान। मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।